Many people think that traveling the world is only for the wealthy. This is simply not true. With the right approach, anyone can experience the joys of international travel without breaking the bank. The key is to be smart, resourceful, and open to new experiences. Budget travel is about embracing the journey, not just the destination. Traveling on a budget allows for a more immersive and authentic experience. You'll connect with locals, savor regional cuisine, and discover hidden gems often missed by luxury travelers. These experiences enrich your travels and create lasting memories. Traveling cheaply in 2025 is not only possible but can be incredibly rewarding. Embrace the challenge and unlock a world of affordable adventures. Remember, the world is a vast and wondrous place, and it's waiting to be explored. Flexibility is paramount when it comes to budget travel. Being open to alternative dates, times, and even destinations can significantly impact your expenses. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons like spring and fall, or the off-season. You'll encounter fewer crowds and often find better deals on flights and accommodation. Weekdays, particularly Tuesdays and Wednesdays, tend to have lower airfares compared to weekends. If your schedule allows, opt for a midweek departure or arrival to save money. Additionally, consider flying to alternative airports. Smaller airports often have lower taxes and fees, resulting in cheaper flights. Remember, a little flexibility can go a long way in stretching your travel budget. By being open to adjustments, you open yourself to a world of savings and unexpected opportunities. Technology is your best friend when it comes to finding travel deals. Utilize flight comparison websites and apps like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak to track prices, set up alerts, and identify the cheapest days to fly. These tools allow you to compare prices from multiple airlines and agencies, ensuring you get the best possible deal. Consider subscribing to newsletters and email alerts from airlines and travel companies. This way, you'll be the first to know about special promotions, flash sales, and last-minute deals. Additionally, explore travel blogs and forums for insider tips and advice from experienced budget travelers. Remember to clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode when searching for flights and accommodation. This prevents websites from tracking your search history and potentially inflating prices. With the right tools and strategies, you can navigate the digital landscape and score incredible travel deals. Travel rewards programs and credit cards can be a budget traveler's secret weapon. Sign up for airline loyalty programs to earn miles on your flights, which can be redeemed for free or discounted travel in the future. Consider getting a travel rewards credit card that offers points or miles for everyday spending. These points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Look for opportunities to bundle your travel expenses, such as flights and accommodation. Travel agencies and online booking platforms often offer discounted packages that can save you money compared to booking each element separately. Remember that the journey itself is part of the adventure. Budget travel is about immersing yourself in the local culture, connecting with people from different walks of life, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on an unforgettable journey that won't break the bank.